Hey guys, Tiger55090 here with another Mailtime video. Let's begin. Hey girl. Well, hello there. Do I know you? Okay. Alright. Smack another jellyfish. Wow, thank you. An LEI? You are so cool. Thank you. It's a fat raccoon. Oh, it's so chubby. Hey. Hi. Your dad is cool. Thank you. Thanks. Guys, I don't really like music. I have practically almost all of the music. So don't really send me any music. Because I don't really like music very much. Well, the Animal Jam music, I mean. It's not very good. Pink purse, thank you. Another one. Wow. Hamsters are cool. Yes, they certainly are. Jam flag. This is getting boring. I'm gonna put on some music. Alright, let's do this. Did I already look the? Yeah, I did. Well, please hat, thank you. Monkey rug, I've never seen that, huh? Bet you get it at the monkey party, don't ya? Musketeer boots, thank you. Oh, that's... Thanks here again, LOL. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, Nela. Thank you. Oh, wow. Again, about the music thing. Here, send something awesome back, please. Alright, I'll send you something back. Thanks. Take a peek first. I have two now. Now to find my spot. Alright, right here. Have that. Phoenix armor. Even though I have that, that's actually pretty cool. Thank you. Wait, Nela again? Really? Wow, you are awesome, Nela. No. Oh, you're right there. I want to buddy you. Slam shell. Thank you. A drum. Thanks. Ooh, a nominee head bow. Thank you. Willie. Here, please send back an awesome thing. Okay, Nela again. Okay. Oh, I don't have this wind thing. Thank you, Nela, again. Yes, I will send you something again. Thanks again. Wait, here, take a rare hot top hat. Okay, I think I passed it. Yeah, okay. Seal plushie. Ooh, a turquoise bracelet, thank you. Ooh, I don't have these either yet. Thank you. Monkey toy. Alright, more music. Alright, now you guys know, so... You are so cool. Thank you. Ooh, a sun hat. Stack of books. Thank you. LOL. Arm brace. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for what? I didn't do nothing. The jammer wrote this. Hello there, Jammer956. That's right, I know her. Yeah. Thank you. Why is everyone saying thank you? Oh yeah, with Millie. Remember last one I sent her something because she was always participating in this. Oh, and finally, cave crystals. Thanks. Well, that is all for today. See you next time. This is Tiger55193. As usual. Goodbye.